Right. So what we doing?
So we were gonna test this heater.
Oh, review it.
Yes. Can you tell us a bit more?
Ceramic
about it?
heater, Simple Value by Argos. It was £15.
Yes.
Because basically what we want to do, we want to have a heater in here because at night time it obviously gets a bit cold, but we didn't want to get a heater which is too big or too expensive. So we got this one. It's 1.5 kilowatt, £15 it costs for $14.99. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So that's the box. Zoom up.
Okay.
Alright, so
Let's see if it works.
You've got a bit of cardboard here, right? Warning, do not cover. Ah, okay. Can't even open some plastic. Alright, well, it's quite nice actually. It's a ceramic one, so it doesn't have a turning fan, because you know earlier you said the fan ones are too noisy.
Yes.
Right.
We don't have.
So what the hell is that? Ah, I see. So if it falls over, so that's a switch, that must be a switch, yeah? I'm guessing, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm right. So this is like a pressure switch. So if it's sat on the floor, it'll work. If you take it off, because obviously if it falls over, it turns off.
Oh, that's very clever.
Yeah, I am clever, aren't I?
Oh, you are. I'm sorry.
Well, that's obviously what that's for. Using extension lead as appliance. Use of an extension lead is not recommended, so do not use an extension lead. Well, that should be pretty common knowledge, because the lead will get very hot. Right, so we'll go. Right, she's on, and she's off. You see?
Oh,
On.
should it again?
Off.
Yes.
See? Right, so obviously on the, we've got a fan mode. Smells a bit. And this is the temperature switch to get it right. Well, bloody hell, that warms up quick.
Oh, wow.
Have a go on that. So,
That's gonna keep us nice and warm.
that'll heat the van up in no time, won't it?
Yes.
So then if you turn it, that's on maximum at the minute. That is hot. That's like a sauna.
It's not that loud actually, even
you-
on the second.
If you're getting arthritis or your bones are starting to freeze up, then get one of these in the summer.
And how does this sound on the
Right, turn it.
first?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's just turn it down. That would melt the airbed, wouldn't it? So what we'll do, we'll make sure it's higher up in the van. So turn it down, let's get the temperature down. Oh, that's going to warm it up nice. You don't think?
And that's off.
That's off.
Is it still? No.
That's 0. Ain't the fan.
So that means we will have a noise, even though I didn't have my
Yeah, but saying that, it's if it blows out cold air. That's the thermostat, so. No, that's cool. That's actually quite nice. Like that's set in there, just a little bit. And then if it falls over because you clumsy at night, oh, there you go. It's not going to set the whole van on fire. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Seems pretty cool. Test it out tonight.
We will come back with a review after our first night with
After our first fire in the van. We could bolt it up there actually. That'd be handy. Just hold that on. Yeah, cool.